Hello everybody, suck up fed. Welcome to my channel. I just want to say, if you haven't comment, liked, or subscribed this video, what is you doing? Like, come on, go ahead and do that. But if you want to see how I got this bomb natural wash and go on short type 4 hair, then keep on watching.
Okay, so right now what I'm doing is just removing my scarf and I'm taking my shower cap off. I just recently deep conditioned my hair and it was still a little damp, so I decided to leave the shower cap still on for the purpose of this video. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and start taking down my twist so I can get ready for the wash and go process. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with my leave-in conditioner by Garnier Gructis. I freaking love this leave-in conditioner. I don't even know how long I've been using this for maybe at least 10 years. And I'm very heavy-handed because I know my hair just gets super dry. I have high porosity hair, so I know that my hair will just soak all this product up. So basically right now what I'm doing is just working the product into my ends, all over my hair. And of course I need some more. So I'm going to add more onto my hair. And I'm just basically raking it all in and just making sure everything feels moisturized and every single strand is coated. So right now what I'm basically going to do is just moisturize it all in, start sectioning and clip everything up and work at one section at a time. My hair is just too thick and it gets tangled very easily, so working one section at a time works best for me. So yeah, I don't use combs, so I'm just using my fingers to just part everything away. So I'm just clipping all my hair up so I can get started on one section. Okay, so now that I have that section ready, I'm going ahead and use my paddle brush. I'm going to go ahead and detangle, working my ends to my roots, just making sure everything is smooth. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my Maui Moisture, the Curl Quench Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie for thick and curly hair. And I'm going to go ahead and take a section and put that in my hair and just moisturize and just make sure that every curl is coated. I'm going to go ahead and grab some more just because I like my hair extra moisturized. My hair is very dry, so there's that. And I like to finger detangle everything through and make sure everything is coated. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab my tea tree oil by Hollywood Beauty and then just work all of that into my hair. And I love tea tree oil, it's just so amazing. Now I'm grabbing my Eco Styler gel, and this is the olive oil one, and I really like this gel. I feel like this certain one, the olive oil one, for me, it doesn't leave any flakes no matter really what product that I use. So this is my go-to gel. So now I'm just raking the gel all in my hair so you can see. I'm just showing you basically my curl pattern right now and just showing you what my hair looks like with all that product in. So now I'm basically going to work the next section. So you basically get what I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward. So I'm basically at the end here, guys. Gonna go ahead and finish that last piece. Gonna go ahead and grab my paddle brush and just detangle that, put in my products in, and that's the end of my hair. Doing a wash and go. Now this is what it looks like when it's basically wet. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some gel to my edges. So I'm grabbing my cotton air blow dryer and I'm gonna go ahead and add the diffuser, and I'm putting this on cool and on high, and I'm gonna sit here for about 45 minutes to an hour and dry my hair. But usually if I was off or didn't have to work the next day, I'll just air dry it all day, but it never usually air dries. It won't dry all day in one day. It usually takes 2 days to air dry, but I didn't have time. I have to work tomorrow early at 7, so I was just like, nope, not doing it. Gonna diffuse. So this is basically how much shrinkage I get. My hair is really, really, really coily, so I get a lot of shrinkage. So this is basically what my hair looks like when it's dry. And now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my pick, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick my hair out, give it some volume, not too much volume because it's the first day, but I'm gonna go ahead and pick it out and try to get as much volume and spread it out. But that's it for my video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and stay tuned to my next videos. Bye.